Hello everybody and welcome back to another Commander Orange vlog, and today we are going skiing to Mohawk Mountain in Connecticut, and right now it's actually snowing outside. It's very light snow. You can't really see it on the camera. You kind of can, yeah, just a little bit. Yeah, it's snowing and we're going to be going skiing to Mohawk Mountain, which is a mountain right here in Connecticut near where we live. It's like about 20-30 minutes away. But we're going to be going there. We're going to be skiing and stuff, and it's going to be great. And I am very excited because this is our first time skiing this year, actually. This is our very first time in 2021. We haven't gone skiing once this entire winter so far, which is kind of sad, but at least it's not like last year where our first time was in like February. So yeah, good thing we're going skiing. I'm very excited. It's snowing right now, even though there's like no clouds except that one. But it's snowing, it's great. I'm very excited to go skiing. Even though we're going night skiing, it's going to be great because there's going to be all of the lights and there's not going to be that many people. And yeah, it's going to be great. I'm very excited. So yeah, we're going to be going in the red Jeep. Or the BMW. Yeah, the red Jeep, yeah. Dad made like this custom ski rack. I'm not really sure. Custom ski rack. See, Dad built a custom ski rack. He got like a few parts and he assembled them to create extremely advanced, super crazy.
I thought this might look a little stupid if I put here.
Huh?
Put this on here.
Yeah.
But then I went on Google. I typed in vertical ski rack for a Jeep, and I saw exactly the same one.
Exactly the same thing.
Yeah, 500 bucks.
Little Tony's in there. Little Tony and Mom aren't coming, sadly. So yeah, Little Tony isn't big enough yet to go skiing, obviously, but yeah, here are my skis, the big blue ones, right here. Skis. Those are Dad's skis. My skis are really long this year. We're coming up on Mohawk Mountain. We're on a straight collision course with Mohawk ski area. And we are here, Mohawk Mountain. The place of skiingness. Look at that, the beautiful sign. And Mohawk is nowhere to be seen. By the way, if you guys didn't know, Mohawk isn't actually a mountain. It's a perfectly flat area. Oh, I'm just kidding, look at that, see? Beautiful trails, it's great. Look at that. Wow. The houses are on the way. We have our shoes on. Hey guys, I have all my ski stuff on. I just need my helmet. That's not it. Where's my helmet? It's somewhere here. I don't know where it is, but I mean, yeah. Oh, it's in here. Nice. Okay, so my helmet is in here, but I'm fully equipped. I have my ski boots. I have my hat and my mask, and it's great. Dad is also putting on ski equipment. He has his boots on too. But we're ready to go skiing. We're going. We're going. Uh-oh. I'm fully equipped up. I can't walk. I can barely walk, which is a great sign. That means everything is going to plan. We're in the lobby. There's snow outside. A whole lot of it. There's a lot of snow. Can't see it from in here, but you'll see when we get outside. It's snowing a ton. Maybe you can see here since there's lights. Yeah, it's snowing a lot outside. It's pretty great.
Prawa strona jest zielone.
Yeah, that's the trail map right there.
Środkowa masz niebieskie.
And it's snowing a bunch. Lots of snow. It's great. It's perfect when you go skiing when it's snowing. It's just very nice and pleasant. Alright, let's go. We're going. Alright guys, we are currently on the ski lift. We are going to the top of Mohawk Mountain. We already went a few times just to test it out and stuff. And yeah, this time I'm actually going to be recording it, and it's going to be very fun. It's going to be great. We're going to be going down.
This is going to be our
trail.
what?
It's
Fourth?
going to be fifth actually.
Fifth?
Fourth was our just last time.
Losing count.
Yeah, this is our fifth one. Yeah. We can't be that long today, so this is going to be like, I don't know, like one of our last ones probably.
Nah, I don't know.
I don't know.
We'll go down a few more times.
Yeah, we'll go down a few more times. But it's snowing right now. It just started snowing yet again. It's awesome. I love the snow. And there goes the ski lift.
Yeah, every ski lift we go on,
it just stops.
It stops.
Yeah.
The other one was stuck for like at least 5 minutes.
Yeah, it was stuck so long. We were just sitting here waiting until it was finished.
Maybe more than 5.
Yeah, we thought it maybe broke down, but it was just people just keep falling off and stuff. Falling off of the thing. Not like off of here, because that's quite a large fall. That's like probably like 20 feet.
Yeah.
Oh man, it's so windy up here, guys. There's snow flying everywhere. Oh no. The trees are going. We're about to get off at Terminal B. I don't even know. Whatever. We're going to get off. It's going to be great. Yeah, we're getting off. It's going to be awesome. He's lifting up the thing. Oh, let's go, guys. The thing has been lifted. Alright, landing gear up.
Make sure you lift the thing up.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Keep tips up.
That's the tips of your things.
Yeah, let's go. Okay, we're going, guys.
Here we go.
It's time. It's time. Unload here. Okay, let's go. Yay, we've done it. We have mastered the ability. Oh, there's so much snow. This is crazy. We're like in a blizzard right now. I don't know where we are. We're lost. There's nobody here, just us. We're stuck. Oh, what? Anyways, look at that. It's like a void of fog and craziness. Anyway, let's go. It's time to go down. We're going down. We're going down. Ah. Oh God. There's snow everywhere, guys. We're going through the blizzard. We're going through the deep depths of the underworld. We're going through. Oh, we're making a turn. We're going to the blue trail. Oh, yeah, we're going. Everybody knows that blue is the best color. Oh, I can't see a thing. Oh, God, I'm blind. That's okay. I have special force field powers around me, and I can sense all crapsicles. Oh, so much snow. So much snow. It's everywhere. I can't do it, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Oh no, Commander Orange will get out of the situation. Oh, God. Miles an hour, 60 miles an hour, no, 100 miles an hour. We're going at Mach 4. We're going at high speed. Speeds never seem to Guys, I can't see anything. The fuck? It's cutting my eyes. ice. Oh no, it's spraying in my eyes. I can't see. I'm blind. I'm blind, guys. We're going down the mountain. We're going down full speed. We're going down all the cars. Ow! It's like getting sand sprayed in your face. Oh.